Hello, a very warm welcome to my channel. This particular video is long overdue. If you've watched my Shito video, I used tuna to prepare it. And I've had lots of questions on how I prepared the tuna for the Shito. I'm going to share with you how I made it. I'll link the Shito recipe up there and in the description box down below. Let me say a big thank you to all of you for subscribing to my channel and also leaving your notification bell on. And to my new subbies, welcome to the family. I'm really happy to have you here. Welcome to Lami Cooks. I have my tuna here which I've already washed and cleaned, and I'm going to put it in the oven to grill. Now, if you're in Ghana, it will be better to buy the smoked one already. It gives it more flavor. But where I am, I don't have the smoked one, so I'm using the grill setting in my oven, and I'm going to grill it for about 20 to 30 minutes. I turn them over in between grill to make sure all the sides are properly grilled. And with this, you can even keep it and use it for your soups and your sauces. After removing it from the oven, I made sure I kept it on the side to cool down before I start breaking it. I'm going to break it into pieces, making sure I remove all the bones and then the skin as well, because you don't want the skin and the bone in your shito. So making sure I'm picking out all the bones and the skin from the tuna. I'll put it back in the oven again for it to grill so that there's no excess moisture in it, because you know if you're preparing shito you don't want any moisture. So I'm breaking them into bits so that it will dry up properly in the oven. This is how you want it to look after you've broken them into pieces. Now it's going back in the oven using the same grill settings, and then let it grill, and then I'm going to stir in between to make sure each and every part of it is grilled properly. After grilling for the first 10 minutes, I'll check and then I'll give it a stir to make sure all the sides are grilled properly and there's no excess moisture in it. The main aim here is to make sure there's no moisture, so that when you're using it to prepare your shito, it will cook faster. I will check it in between until all the tuna is cooked perfectly all through. Once it's done, you can see it's really dry and it's crunchy. I'm still trying to pick out some of the bones that I can spot in. Now I'm going to blend this. I'm using my grinder. I'm going to grind it into a powder form, and that's it. Voila, you're done. Very easy to prepare. The tuna is ready for your shito. You can also keep it and use it for your stews and sauces if you want to put any fish powder in it. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave the notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Until I come your way with another delicious recipe, stay safe, be blessed, bye.